I am running my 150-bed hospital at Aurangabad with all multi-super specialties. For your information, I'll tell you, my wife is also a plastic surgeon. She is a plastic, cosmetic and laser surgeon. She is practicing over there also, and she is a visiting consultant from there to Mumbai also. I am also practicing in Seven Hills Hospital, especially doing work on stem cell therapy. You might be knowing details of stem cell therapy. You are knowing what is stem cell therapy? Yeah, raise the hands. How many people know stem cell therapy? See, Doctor, I'll tell you, this stem cell therapy articles, they are in every paper. Times of India, even Marathi papers, Lokmat, Sakar, whatsoever it is. So this is the reason now much more public is more knowledgeable than doctors at present. When patient is coming to you, nowadays what happens, if suppose there is a XYZ disease, some arthritis or kidney failure or something else, so he go on the net, he search on the Google, and he has to take out the 100 printout with him, and he read it and he study it. And when that patient comes and sit in front of you, and if suppose he asks you a question about stem cell, leave that, don't think that when I will become doctor, then I will learn about stem cell. No. Whatsoever is the reason going on, that you are supposed to be in communication with that. So this I am just telling for the motivation. Because apart from your studies, I know you are seeing the papers daily regularly. Just open, see the colorful pages, all these actor, actress, new hero, action, see that. I don't say no. Even I also do it same thing. First we see the paper, first see from back side, not from front side. Then go inside. Especially we are going for some page 3 or page 4. Whatsoever it is, go do that. That is important. Because see, and as a person, why I entered in Mumbai? Are there no doctors in Mumbai? It is not like that. But still, place doesn't make the difference. Wherever you are, from wherever you are, if you decide to develop and to decide to become a big level. What I used to say, if suppose one person wants to go to international level, if suppose he go to domestic airport, is it possible to him to fly to international level? That is the reason when you are achieving one level, you have to maintain your grade of city also and grade of yourself also. In that, your grade is very important. If you feel I can run the practice by boomeranging or doing something and it will carry on. Now this is not the period. Here each and every person is a knowledgeous, very important. Now at present in Seven Hills and in the New Mumbai also, stem cell is the original cell of a body from which we are created, this universe is created, and now when God has given birth, whosoever the first male and female person has created in this world, you know, in hatchery, from eggs you can make chickens by changing the mechanism and atmosphere. So why you can't think like this? How the first male and first female, from where they came? Nobody knows the history, but it's surprising. And when God has made all of us, so whether God was knowing, there might be medical college, then there might be some engineering college, then there might be some hospital, then institute. No, he was not knowing. Initial thousands of years there was no doctor. But whether the people, they were not having the problems with them,